No, it was easy. Like the whole process was really, really easy. I didn't have any problems with it at all, and I mean, it didn't take that long. It's not like they have to come in and make a mess in your house. It's basically your front or back door. You know, you turn a couple of fans off and on. When I actually went through the program and found out, you know, they are giving a list of, oh, you should change the windows, you should upgrade the insulation, you know, to have him go around with a thermal camera and look. So I found a couple spots where there was some air leaking. So that kind of gave me a clear idea of what I had to do to get the house, you know, energy efficiency of the house up. You know, it's allowed me to save quite a bit of money. Like I've got a much lower utility bills from some of my neighbors that have a house the same size. Like it makes a big difference. You know, I think I'm paying about $104 a month year round for my gas, and some of them are paying almost $200. They give you an actual physical paper report that shows, you know, what percentage of your energy use is electricity, how much is gas, you know, this type of thing. It's quite a detailed information, and of course things you can do to improve your house. And you know, for me, it's just I mean, I haven't environmental awareness, but it's also just makes my house more comfortable, and it saves me money.